What's going on, traders? What's up, team? I hope you're all having a wonderful time. It's Rafael back again, and in today's video I want to talk about yesterday's trading session. We were not able to bank a profit yesterday. I was closing my position early after I hold it for a long time. I closed it with 1% loss, which is not that big compared to what we already did this year. We made some good damage this year, I'm telling you. So I want to go over the trade today, why I took the trade and why I've shared this trade with everybody for free in the Telegram channel. So if you're not in the free Telegram channel, make sure to check the link down below in the description. If you're looking for guidance, if you want help, if you are a struggling trader or a complete beginner, you can drop me a message in Telegram and I will show you exactly what I'm doing and help you to get on top of the game. Alright, so check the links in the description down below, and yeah, let's get into the charts. This video is sponsored by XAUUSD, one of the brokers that I'm using for my trading. I will put the links down below in the description if you're looking for a regulated broker. XAUUSD is the one to go. And the other broker that I love to use, it's an unregulated broker, it's Trade. I just love the way they work with crypto deposits and withdrawals and all that stuff, and they're making an amazing job. So make sure to check both brokers out. I will put the links down below in the description. Alright, team, so this is the trade that we took yesterday, right? We had Friday's movement in here, market was coming down, and then the market opened on Monday, gapped up a little bit and then got down, took out the liquidity from Friday, made all the business down there, and I think this low from Thursday was not taken out yet, so I saw that double bottom in here and I was like, okay, this should be the next target when it wants to drop, and this was really my main goal. I wanted to see the market drop down and yeah, make it happen, you know. And then when the market came back during the London session, as soon as the New York session started, let me show you, at around 9:30, and this is when the New York session started, the market was pushing up, and I decided to step into a sell because I thought it's going to drop, guys. So let me show you real quick here on the 5 minute. So the market was showing me signs of it wants to go down in this area in here, so I decided to get in with the sell. I had my stop above because I was thinking like this significant high in here could be taken out as well, and I wanted to load up my position around this area, and this is what I did. So as soon as the market came up, I was loading my position up, got into another entry position. My stop didn't got hit, luckily. Market came all the way back, then I was in profit with 1.5%, but the market turned around again and it was just consolidating the rest of the day, so I decided to get out with a small loss of 1% before the session ends, as I didn't saw any sign of it wants to drop. Like, it was just moving pretty slow that day. It was a little bit boring, I would say, but maybe it's just because tomorrow we have a big news event hitting the markets, the US dollar and the indices and stuff. So maybe that's why the market moves that slow. It's slowly printing bullish candles, slowly going up. I think we can expect a drop maybe today or tomorrow, and I will keep my eye on that one. I've marked all the significant highs in here. I'm not sure, maybe it wants to push up to 4,000. By the way, we're looking at the SP 500 as you might have noticed. Yeah, I was trading the SP 500 the last couple of days. I was not trading the Nasdaq, but they kind of like moving the same way, you know. So yeah, let's see what we got, guys, for today. I will keep you updated in the channel, so make sure to check out the link in the description if you're not inside yet. Inside the free channel, I will share some of my trades live in there. Not everything. I'm going to share everything with my students, but I'm gonna share some of my trades in there. So yeah, stay tuned, man. And that's it for today. Let's see if we can get the drop today. I will keep my eye on that one. If I see reaction, guys, I will let you know when I hop into the game. Let's see. Maybe the market will be very slow today because of the news event tomorrow. We will see, man. But I will keep you updated, guys. Wish you a lovely day and a profitable trading week. See you in the next one, guys. Peace. Take care.